Assalamu alaikum, I am Amin Hussein and this is Team Vandalus. Here is our CSE 360 Group Lab task video. We have designed a microcontroller based data logger system to log the temperature and humidity data of the environment. This whole lab task is shown through simulation in our computers. In short, in the Proteus software, the DHT11 sensor is collecting the temperature and humidity measurements, and the microcontroller named Arduino UNO is processing the data and giving the temperature and humidity data as output. Finally, our interface made by LabVIEW software is logging the temperature and humidity data and showing us the current temperature as well as the humidity in its graphical user interface. Thank you. The whole task will be described by my teammates.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Wasita Basum. Initially, we coded the Arduino UNO by Arduino IDE for collecting raw data from our DHT11 temperature sensor. Here firstly we imported the DHT11 sensors library. Then we started coding. Here we used Arduino pin 2 as a DHT pin and DHT11 as our DHT type. Then in void setup we set our baud rate to 9600 and printed the first message. Next in the void loop we set the delay to 500 milliseconds and initialize our variables to read temperature and humidity values. If there is any error in reading, it will throw an error. Finally, we print the temperature and humidity values. We exported the compiled binary sketch which will be needed in the Proctus later.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Moinuddin Ahmed. We now set up the circuit in Proteus. In our circuit, we used Arduino UNO as our microcontroller, a DHT11 sensor as our temperature and humidity sensor, a virtual terminal to show the output, and a COM-port physical interface model to transfer the temperature and humidity data to the LabVIEW graphical user interface. Firstly, we put all the components into Proteus. Then we connected Arduino's pin 2 with DHT11's data pin, power with VDD pin, and ground with GND pin of DHT11. We also connected a 10 kΩ resistor with VDD and data pin to make sure the signal level stays high. Finally, we connected Arduino's pin 01 to COM ports pin 2, 3 and virtual terminals RxD pin to Arduino's pin 1. Now we imported the hex file of our compiled binary to the Arduino. After starting the simulation, the DHT11 sensor will pass the readings into Arduino's pin 2 and the processed data will be sent from Arduino's pin 1 to COM port and virtual terminal. The COM port physical interface model will pass the data to LabVIEW through virtual COM port.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Ashfia Khanum. We built an interface to show the logged data along with current temperature and humidity into the LabVIEW software's graphical user interface. Here, we used a thermometer which will show the temperature. Well, we also used a gauge which will show the humidity, and the two charts which will show the temperature and the humidity like graphs. We used a table to log the temperature and humidity data as well as our ID numbers. In the block diagram window, we created the brain of our interface. Here, in the while loop, we set the delay to 500 milliseconds. After running the interface, it will collect the temperature and humidity data from the COM ports, then show them in the interface and the chart. And finally, put them into an array along with our ID numbers and log them into the table. This is how our lab task was built. Thank you.